give Clover her vitamins. This week has felt like so magic. The sun has been so kind, the grass has been growing so tall, and every day Clover learns something new. I've been trying my best to stay present, and watching her grow reminds me of how fast time moves and how important it is to savor the stillness. She's teaching me so much about patience and softness. If I'm being honest, life lately has definitely felt a little up and down behind the scenes. I've been working on my art, experimenting a lot, adjusting my routines, and thinking about where I want to go next. But being out here in the pasture with her makes everything feel so simple again. If you've been feeling overwhelmed too, I really hope this video brings you comfort and feels like a small exhale. So I am off to the feed supply store. I have to run some errands. I'm gonna come home tonight and have a cozy craft night. That sounds so nice. I've been so busy with stuff around the farm and stuff around the house, just trying to get everything organized for summer. So that is the plan. Alright, so we're gonna go work with Clover a little bit, give her her probiotics, and then we're going to go out to dinner. Hi. Thank you so much for spending this little piece of summer with me and Clover. I also just added some new art and treasures to my shop if you'd like to take a peek. My shop is alexandriasreveries.store and the link is in the description. I hope everyone's having a wonderful start to their summer. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.